So are you a cameraman?
What's that?
Are you a cameraman?
Just for fun.
Oh, just for fun?
Yeah.
I'm just for the YouTuber, so just for the try it, and then I need a comment. Yeah. If you don't mind it's okay to upload in my channel. How was it? It's good. And this is for the fish. It's nice. Yeah, we are Japanese wrap for first time the creative.
Really good flavor. I really like it.
Oh, thank you. ありがとう。Yeah. Yeah, these are fish inside. Yeah, yeah. I need that for the comment for my YouTube channel. If you buy the taste, it's good. So we prepare for the beef and the chicken and the shrimp. It's for the new wrap, so I like to try the comment.
Yes.
Oh, thank you very much. Thank you for trying. ありがとう。I have a YouTube channel. Can I have a comment for the?
Oh, okay.
Yes. How's good? It's a new type. Japanese.
Crispy, very light, very flavorful. It's great.
Oh, thank you. ありがとう。Thank you. Thank you for trying. Yes. Japanese style up. This time for my new creation, the fish cake. Yeah, fish cake and the lettuce, and a little bit special and the Dijon mustard.
Ooh, I like
How
it. What do you think?
It's good?
You like it?
Yeah.
Is it good? Thumbs up? Thumbs down? Thumbs up. Thumbs up.
Wow, thank you very much. So you're able. Yes, thank you for trying.
Yes.
Yeah, sometimes try that we have many kinds, different kinds. So
Which one is this one?
this is very new, not on the menu right now. It I'm promotes.
Isn't there pickle in there?
No pickle, no pickles. Yeah. ありがとうございます。一番。Yes. Yeah. Oh, don't worry. Yeah. Speak Japanese. Mom speak Japanese. Yes. ありがとうございます。Thank you. Yes, thank you. Yes, I'm recording. Yes, thank you. ありがとうございます。
That's so good.
Wow, thank you very much.
So flavorful.
Yes.
The fish is so tender.
Oh, yeah.
Perfect.
Oh,
It's
yeah.
so good.
And the lighter, right? Lighter, yeah. That's why so we call Japanese wrap.
It's amazing.
ありがとうございます。
Thank you.
No, thank you very much.
Thank you. This is amazing.
Oh, started. Yes.
Fish cake wrap with Dijon mustard sauce.
Yes. It's good. Yeah, Japanese flavor. Would you like one more piece?
Amazing.
One more piece? Yes, one more piece. Yeah, I came here for the Uno gelato. He's a patissier making the gelato. He loves so much for my Japanese wrap. So take action 2.
Amazing.
Action 2. Take 2. Yes. That was quite a big piece, but he can eat one piece. Nice. ありがとうございます。Grazie. Grazie. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, I have a YouTube channel to for this. How was it? This is kind of new.
What's that?
Delicious. Yeah, it's a fish paste inside. Yeah. Yeah, thank you for trying.
Thank you.
ありがとう. Yes. Yeah. Please try. Yeah. Please try it. Can I have a comment? Yeah, comment. Yeah. Sorry about that. Yeah. Yes. So you taste it now? How was it? Sorry, still biting it.
Almost like a sriracha
Yeah.
flavor to it.
Yes, correct. ありがとうございます。Mr. Japanese wrap, thank you. Should I try it? Yeah, new items. Yeah, to try it. ありがとうございます。It's good. ありがとうございます。Thank you.